Ugh. Hi everyone, it's Lauren and Jacques back here, and tonight is our second night at a Cinque, and we are going to be making an oxtail potjie. So right now Jacques is busy preparing the dish, doing all the vegetables. Let's put in the potjie, and we have the potjie on the fire, and it's very exciting. Where's the oxtail? There's the oxtail.
Back there.
There's the oxtail. Oh my word. Oh, so yummy. What do you have to say?
Looking really forward to this. It's going to be all the veg we need. Keep us good and strong and healthy. And then of course the oxtail to make us just feel yummy. Right. The veg is prepared. Let's close that up for now. And then we're going to go quickly and grill the oxtail a bit. And then, yeah, that needs to be a little bit longer. Put the oxtail in and grill that a bit up. And then, yeah, with some garlic, some salt, pepper, just to get it nicely seared and brown. On, and then maybe at night about 8 o'clock, once it's really sat and cooked for a while, we will eat.
We wanted to start at 2:30, but we didn't manage to get here on time because we had to do a few things around the town to go get the vegetables and stuff.
Yep.
It's only 3:30 now, so it's not too shabby, but yeah.
We've got some vino that we're going to put in as well. Wine's always nice with any potjie. I always put a nice wine in with the potjie, so yummy.
And then of course we can have a glass of wine while we're cooking the potjie.
Yes, absolutely. See you guys later.
So here we've had Jacques do his little frying.
I've already grilled the oxtail. So as you can see here, it's looking really good. I've added some soup with it. Now just do a nice oxtail soupy. Now it's just to let it sit and cook and boil in that, and just top it up while the oxtail goes nice and tender.
And the wine's gone in as well.
Yes, the wine's already in, so that's all nice and yummy. I've added some of my secret sauce in there. You know the secret sauce.
What secret sauce?
The spicy secret sauce.
The spicy secret sauce.
Yes, the one that I make.
Okay.
I've added some in there just to flavour it up a bit. And yes, it's going to be nice. Oh, look at that. Yum, yum. So you can cover it and then let it sit and do its thing. Let you know how it goes when we add the veg. Awesome.
And here we have it. Our oxtail is finally finished. It looks absolutely delicious and we can't wait to eat it. Thank you, baby, for making it.
Pleasure, my love.
We are on our way to the Shishiwi of Falozi Game Reserve. Where hopefully today we will see all of the big five.
And we shall dance with the Zulu boys today.
Again. So yes, hopefully we'll see the big five. We've got to be careful of the elephants this time, because apparently on Wednesday this week there was a car that was attacked by an elephant. The elephant took its trunk and went through the window.
When we come back!
There's an elephant that took its trunk through the window and turned the car over. So we've got to be very cautious this week. Today. And And here we are.
Oh, it looks quite busy here.
And we have just come across an elephant who was in the bush and is now following us. Completely following us. So we are reversing very quickly. Because like I said earlier, they are not in good moods at the moment because they did overturn a car 4 days ago.
Thank you very much for the subscribers. We have reached over 100 subscribers and we're growing. Thanks guys, and see you next week. Bye.